warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good morning, all pupils. Right, for today, we are going to learn about listening. As you can see here, our main skill is to use appropriate listening strategies in a variety of contexts. Alright, for our lesson today, it is on page 62. Okay, on page 62. And the main skill is to guess the meaning untuk meneka maksud. Guess the meaning of unfamiliar words. Daripada perkataan yang tidak tahu, yang tidak dikenali, from clues provided, daripada clue-clue yang diberikan, by other words and by context. Daripada clue yang diberikan daripada perkataan yang lain ataupun membaca dari segi konteks atau ayat on an increased range of topics. Okay, daripada topik yang berkaitan dengan rumah or a place to call home, our units. Okay. And the complementary skill is we'll be doing reading, which is guess, meneka the meaning, meneka maksud of unfamiliar words, perkataan yang tidak familiar, okay, tidak tahu, from clues, daripada clue-clue or keywords provided by other words, yang diberikan daripada perkataan lain atau daripada ayat. Okay, now let's look at how you want to do. Mari kita lihat bagaimana kita nak buat latihan di muka surat 62 ini. Right, now let's look at listening for A, exercise A. Right? Let's look at this. Label the pictures. Labelkan picture. Okay, look at here, this one. You need to label the pictures. Okay, right here, tuliskan di sini, this one, with these words. Now let's look at the words. Okay, the first word is bamboo. Bamboo is buluh. Okay, when you look at the picture, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which one that you think is bamboo? Again, bamboo is buluh. Right, the next one is brick. Brick is batu bata. Okay, batu bata for brick. Okay, and then you look at all of the pictures and you try to label. The next is concrete. Okay, concrete in Malay it is concrete. Okay, concrete. Netting. The next is netting. Netting, ia datang daripada perkataan net. Oh, jaring. Okay. When you see this, okay, let's see. Okay, where is it? Netting. Okay, I can see that it is on number 5. Okay, now, next is steel. Okay, steel is besi. Okay, look at these and you find where is the steel in the picture. The last one is straw. Okay, straw here, not the straws that we use to drink. Bukan straw yang kita guna untuk minum. This is the straw of jerami. Okay, jerami. Where is it? Okay, for your information, number 4, this is straw. So, you write straw here for your answer, right? So, that's how you want to do exercise A. Okay, label the pictures. Labelkan gambar. Okay, now let's move on to exercise B. Okay, Exercise B. Look at here. Listen, dengarkan, and read sentences 1 to 5. Dengarkan dan baca ayat-ayat sentences 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and choose dan pilih the best definition. Right? Definisi yang terbaik for the underlined words. Underlined meaning daripada perkataan-perkataan yang digariskan. Where is the underlined words? Here. Crushing, tapping people. And then for number 2, it is reinforce. Number 3, less likely. Number 4, crack and collapse. Number 5, can't afford. Now, I will help you to translate this in order for you to understand how to do this. Okay? Cikgu akan bantu kamu untuk translatekan, untuk terjemahkan bagaimana mahu bantu kamu to answer this question, untuk menjawab soalan-soalan ini. Alright? Now, as you can see here, can you see here? This is audio 5.1. Okay, audio 5.1. I actually put in our Telegram group. Now, you need to listen and read sentences 1 to 5 and choose the best definition. Okay. Many buildings. Number 1, banyak buildings. Buildings tu apa? Buildings tu bangunan. Came down, telah runtuh. Crushing means crush, hancur. Okay, hancurkan. And trapping, dan memerangkap people, orang. A. People, orang were pushed. Telah pushed means ditolak. Okay, and fell out of building. Fell means telah jatuh, keluar daripada bangunan. So that is the answer for A. What does it mean for A? Okay, now let's look at B. Things fell. Okay, benda-benda jatuh on, di atas orang, on top of people, dan mereka couldn't escape, tidak boleh melarikan diri. Escape means melarikan diri. Okay, so you need to choose, pilih. Okay, which one is the answer? After you listen, lepas dengarkan and read the sentences. I actually put in our Telegram group. Okay, this one, track 11, is for
Listening,
exercise
Unit 5, page 62B. 1.
This one.
Many buildings came down, crushing and trapping people. 2.
Right?
One technique is to
So, you look at that. You listen to the audio in our group, and then you answer the questions. Do you understand? Boleh faham? Okay. Because our learning objective, kita punya objektif pelajaran adalah untuk, do you still remember? For what? Okay. Untuk meneka, right? Even though you don't know what does it mean, walaupun kamu tak tahu apakah bermaksud crushing and trapping ni, you guess, teka, right? That's what we doing today, right? Now let's continue to exercise number 2 here. Satu teknik adalah to reinforce, untuk reinforce meaning menguatkan. Concrete with steel. Steel means besi, right? Okay, so do you look at the word reinforce? Here, look at the word reinforce, and then you try to guess. Cuba teka, what does it mean? Is it make stronger, untuk membuatkan dia lebih kuat, or is it make longer? Longer means untuk membuatkan dia lebih panjang. Okay, longer means panjang, right? Next, So you need to listen to audio. Okay, again, you look at the audio and you answer the question. Same goes with the exercise number 3. Okay, buildings, bangunan-bangunan made of, yang dibuat daripada light materials. Light means ringan, materials bahan-bahan. Bahan-bahan ringan are less likely. Okay, less likely means berkurang. To come down, untuk jatuh or runtuh in the an earthquake. The earthquake is gempa bumi. Right? So, when you look at exercise number 3, you listen to the audio and you try to guess, teka, what is less likely. Is it A, not impossible, or impossible? A is not possible. A here is not as possible, tidak mungkin. Not as possible. And then impossible is tidak mungkin. Okay, not as possible, dia mungkin. Possible means mungkin. Not as possible, tidak mungkin. So it's the same. It's quite the same with impossible. For your information, I would like you, if you want to be more understanding of this, I would like you to go to your Google Translate and try to look at what does it mean by possible and impossible for you to understand more, untuk kamu faham lebih lanjut. Okay? Now let's look at exercise 4. Question 4. Some bricks, okay, beberapa bata are cheap, adalah murah. Dan walls, dinding, made from, yang dibuat daripada them. Them means bricks, yang walls. Okay. Crack, retak. And collapse. Collapse means runtuh. Very easily. Very easily means dengan senang. Now, A, maksud, try to find after you listen to the audio, crack and collapse. What does it mean? Okay, is it A, get bigger? Bigger means jadi lebih besar and fall off dan jatuh. Or B, break a bit. Break means pecah. Pecah sikit, a bit means sikit, and fall to pieces, dan jatuh. Atau runtuh to pieces. Pieces means kepada serpihan-serpihan. Okay, jatuh, runtuh. Okay. So that's for exercise 5. Exercise 4, sorry. Now let's look at exercise 5. Right? After you listen to audio 5.1, look at here, cheaper, lebih murah punya material. Material means barang. Are better, adalah lebih baik. Better than means lebih baik. Nothing, better than nothing, lebih baik daripada poorer countries. Lebih baik kepada country yang miskin, lebih miskin. That cannot afford, yang can't afford, tidak mampu. Anything else, yang tidak mampu benda lain. Okay. A, not to have enough money to pay for something. Maksud, yang tidak ada duit untuk membayar sesuatu. B, to not be able to use something, yang tidak boleh. Not be able, yang tidak dapat. To use here meaning dapat sesuatu. Something is sesuatu. So I would like you to look at these questions and then you answer the questions. Right, now I will tell you how to do exercise C. Okay, exercise C, you need to listen again. Okay, dengarkan lagi sekali audio 5.1 and dan semak semula, check your answers. Okay, when you want to check your answers, you check again in audio 5.1. Right? After that, how did you know, macam mana kamu tahu which option to choose? Okay, macam mana kamu nak tahu which option to choose? Apakah option? Options means pilihan. Option, pilihan. Okay. Now, what does it mean by this? When we look at D, read the exam close up. Okay, this is the exam close up. Okay, then read the exam task. Where is the exam task? Okay, this is the exam task. Okay, this one. Alright, these are the exam tasks. And think about dan fikirkan tentang what the listening is going to be about. Okay. Dan fikirkan apakah yang latihan mendengar tu akan tentang apa. What it is about, tentang apa. Alright. Okay. So, let's look at the exam close up here. Okay. Exam close up. Understanding technical or specific words. Memahami perkataan-perkataan spesifik atau technical. Okay. Let's look at this. In the exam, dalam peperiksaan, if you hear, sekiranya kamu dengar technical or difficult words that you don't understand, yang kamu tidak faham, jika berjumpa perkataan technical ataupun perkataan yang susah yang kamu tidak faham, okay, this is important. Try not to panic. Not try to panic. Jangan panic. Okay, walaupun tak tahu perkataan yang teknikal ataupun yang susah tersebut, jangan panic. Very good. The next one is think about. Fikirkan tentang perkataan-perkataan, okay, yang kamu tahu. You do know, yang kamu tahu. Okay. And what the listening is about. Dan tentang apa yang listening tu tentang apa. Alright, yang kamu dengar tu topik dia apa, tentang apa. Okay, and try to use the context. Try to use the context. Okay, context meaning keseluruhan konteks. For example, you will hear about students interviewing engineer. So, students ni dia interview is engineer. So, you know the context. The context dia, maksud dia, konteks dia adalah interview engineer. So, this is what it means by context. Right? To help you understand. So, that is how you want to do. That is what our learning for today about. Okay, untuk mendengar, to listen and guess, untuk meneka and familiar words. Perkataan-perkataan yang kamu tidak tahu. Now, after you finish all, so you need to do exercise E. Okay, so in exercise E, you need to listen to audio 5.2. Right, this is the audio that you need to listen to. Again, the context, you need to read these. You need to read these question. Always read the instruction. This is the instruction. You will hear, kamu akan dengar some students, beberapa orang pelajar sedang interview engineer. Okay, seorang jurutera. What's his name? Robert Weston. Ini nama jurutera tersebut. For questions 1 to 6, untuk soalan 1 hingga 6, circle. Circle means bulat. Okay. Circle means bulat. For example, the answer is here. Circle. Okay, not do like this. Like that. So, if it is circle, you need to circle the best answer. Now, okay, I would like you to do this on your own. Buat ini dengan sendiri. How? Okay. If you don't know what is interested, kalau tak tahu maksud interested tu apa, okay, cari perkataan ni, maksud dia dekat Google Form. Dekat Google Translate ke, okay, dekat dictionary ke. You need to do on your own. Okay. perlu belajar sendiri. Okay, tidak boleh hanya cikgu sahaja yang menyuap kamu. Alright. We teachers, kita membantu kamu. We guide you. Okay, kita membantu kamu untuk memberitahu bagaimana untuk belajar. Okay, you need to do on your own. Okay, try to find if you don't know what is interested or you don't know what is death, you don't know earthquake, right? So you find the meaning. So again, I will repeat again what we should do. For exercise E, you listen to audio 5.2. I gave already the audio in our Telegrams group, right? So you need to listen to the audio, and after that, you answer the questions, right? And after that, you do F. Listen again, dengarkan lagi sekali, and check, semak jawapan anda. Okay. What does it mean? Apa maksud dia? Maksud dia for exercise E, untuk exercise E dan exercise F, perlu dengar dulu, listen, dengar dahulu and complete the exam task. Dengar dulu audio, lepas tu baru jawab exam task. Lepas dah jawab, baru semak jawapan dengan dengar semula. Alright. Okay, so I hope you understand what to do today for listening. Okay, cikgu harap kamu boleh faham tentang apa yang perlu kamu buat hari ini. Again, what you should do. Okay, for today, we learn about listening, right? Listening. Right, listening. Right, guess. Okay, guess, teka. The meaning is maksud of unfamiliar words, perkataan yang kamu tidak tahu. Right? From clues, daripada clue-clue yang diberikan. Okay, in the topic. I hope you understand for today's lesson. So if you don't understand, you can ask me. Feel free to ask me. Okay, in the text. Right? Hope that you understand. Right, see you again next lesson. Okay, bye and Assalamualaikum.